Hi everyone, this is Cherie from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and I'm here to share the Christmas cardstock pack with you guys. There are 20 colors in the pack, 3 of each color, which is a lot of paper in this great pack. I started making Christmas tags with my pack, and here are just 2 tags that I've started. The only color that is not included is the shrimp color, and this one came from the skin tone pack. But stay tuned and I will do the paper piecing video to follow this in just one moment. Okay, here's the continuation of the video for the paper piecing itself. Now these are just Christmas tags that I found on Treasure Box Designs under the Christmas tag tab. So there's very few pieces to each one of these, but they're so cute. It's going to be the base and then his belt. I placed the beard with the mustache on top, and now I'm going to place his nose. That is a pick-me-up stick by Silhouette. You can find them anywhere. I then placed his belt on. I'm going to put his little pom-pom on his ear and his gloves, and he is finished. All I did for the back was I duplicated the image, but I reversed it. That way I could stamp the back and it wasn't going to be on the red cardstock. I just stamped the white, and now I'm going to apply that. I'll run some string through it, which the finished product in the beginning has the string in the top, and I just used embossing powder for that portion. And now this next set, just some Memento inks, my Bearly art glue, again just a couple pieces to make the cutest tag. This is a gingerbread, so the base of the rolling pin goes down and the top of the rolling pin gets placed over, and I just varnished the pieces to make sure the glue's sticking as well as can be, and it's evenly distributed. Now I put the little brim on top of the gingerbread's head. I had to remake this because I tried putting the gingerbread head on top of it. The star was not in the set even though it's in the picture. I had to go get it from another set that I had from the cookies, but I liked it in the picture, so I went ahead and made it. After those are placed, you put the hands on. There's going to be icing for each hand. There's little grooves so you know where to fit them. And after the icing goes the nose. I did glaze my nose with sparkles, which is in the first portion of the video in the intro, because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with the nose. But thanks for following. Any questions, feel free to ask. Have a good day, and thank you for following.